Hello fellow trans lovies, I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. If you're new in this channel and you don't want to miss any of this, please subscribe and also leave a comment below. So Shaka said to return to The Queen. Mzansi Magic announced that SK Khoza, who played Shaka on The Queen, will be making a comeback. This comes after Shaka, who viewers were introduced to in season 1 of the hit show 4 years ago, was killed off the show last year. Neither the channel or Ferguson's film, who produced the show, have said how he will return, but when the news of his departure broke in last year, September, fans created a petition to bring him back. The channel also announced that the former Isibaya stars Jessica Nkosi and Menzi Ngubane will also be joining the show. The Queen unpacks the complex and multi-dimensional story of Khoza family, whose logistics business is front of their gruesome, ruthless lives as drug dealers. One of the reasons that this imaginative South African drama series captured the hearts and minds of Mzansi Magic audience is because of its diverse and impeccable talents, said Phili Kubheka, head of PR and publicity of Mzansi Magic. We are excited that one of the channel's most loved telenovelas is set to feature South African legends as they showcase their crafts and added even greater authenticity and flavor to the story. So guys, Menzi Ngubane and also Jessica Nkosi is joining The Queen, and also Shaka Khoza uyabuya. So guys, that's it for now. I'm out till next time. Love you.